Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to create a drive partition. And in this video I will show you how to delete a drive partition. But let's get started. So here you can see the C drive and the created new partition. Before deleting a partition, make sure to back up the data first. Then right click on this PC and click Manage. Now click Storage and select Disk Management. So here you can see the C drive and drive partition. So click the drive partition and right click it. And select Delete Volume. Now click Yes to delete the partition. Now the storage from the partition has become unallocated space. To fix that, select the C drive and right-click it and click Extend Volume. Now click Next. And here you can see 4.5 GB of storage as unallocated space. Now click Next, then click Finish. So this is how you delete a drive partition. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Goodbye.